Hi everybody. What am I thinking today? It's Easter Monday and I'm waiting on my son to give me a call so I can go and have a look. They've completely renovated their home and want me to go over and have a look at what they've done today. Well, I've been up probably since 6 o'clock this morning, and I kind of thought that maybe Lily would be, you know, pretty much at that door, but she had a big day out yesterday, guys, as you'll have seen with the Happy Easter video I did with Lily. You know, she was out from 6 o'clock and I went to bed about 9:30, 10. So she was in a hangout spot that whole time. But of course Lily didn't come out this morning, or want to come out when I got up this morning. And I thought, that's okay, well, you know, she will want to come out later. But I got that phone call. And now Lily wants to come out. And I'm still waiting, because I had to go shopping and get a few bits. So I'm still waiting to hear Mum pop on over now. So I have done a video about Lily not understanding that sometimes I can't get her out. And what do? She doesn't understand that I can get her out, which I will, but I can get her out. She can be out for a little while, but it's not going to be long enough for Lily. And I'm going to put her home when I head out. And I know she's just going to be straight back at that door, asking to come out. I have a little bit going on that I haven't really spoken about as well, because it's difficult actually to talk about. But Jack is not well. He's been seen by the vet and she's kind of said, look, let's see how he goes. And he seemed to go okay, and then all of a sudden he's not again. He shed actually yesterday, guys, and it's not humidity. Humidity's been 65% for days and days, because it's been raining and humid and all of that stuff. And he was having so much trouble shedding that I got him out and I put him into a bath and soaked him for quite a while, and managed to get, well, let's just say that Jack only shed to wear before his eye caps, and that was as far as he was willing to go. So I managed to get the head plate off, his eye caps off, most of his body, except of course under his chin and 6 or so inches down from the back of his neck. So of course that's the area they're putting him in, a tub that he doesn't soak, does he? So I've covered him in vitamin E. He's been sprayed with some skin moisturizing spray I've also ordered Herb Vita, and I'm going to be putting that on his skin, which is a vitamin, but they can absorb it through their skin, because I think Jack needs that right now. I don't want to go into too much detail. I want to get more information from my vet so I can give to you, so you'll understand it a little bit more as well. But Lily, what I've decided to do right now, although I will put in some videos of my other snakes, but there will be a run of Lily. At the moment I have so many videos of Lily that I haven't put up, and I really do need to. So I hope you won't get bored with her. I hope you don't get bored with me sitting and talking to you for the last 6 minutes. I've had a lot going on. My stress load with Jack has been enormous, absolutely enormous. Not a lot of sleep, up really early in the mornings, because I come down to watch him, I guess is the words. But anyway, let's get on to my girl Lily. And as soon as I open the door, my phone will ring, and my son will say, "You can come over now, Mum, if you like." And I will probably say, you know, give me half hour with Lily, should that be the case. But Lily, you know, give me your body here and come and say hello to Mum, please. Will you? Just come and say hello to me for a little while, rather than chuffing on up to that hangout space. Could you do that? I know that, you know, the routine with Lily is she comes out and she goes up, and she knows it, and you know, she's okay to hang with me. She knows me well, put it that way. And it's almost like, you know, Mum, oh gosh, I see you all the time. You're always there, and I know you're there. I don't need to be hanging on you, but I'd like you to, even though it's much harder to video. Lily, I got your belly. She says, yeah, well, I'm stronger, and you're not going to squeeze me that tight that you're not going to be able to keep me there. Hey, she's like, what's going on? Like, why am I here with you, and why are you not letting me go? Lily, hang out here. Sorry if my camera is everywhere and anywhere, but I would like to try and keep her here for, because I've kind of got that feeling that the moment I let her go on up, she's going to have to come back down again, and that would be a real shame. Please, please. You are so persistent. You are just so persistent, Lily. Honestly, I know, and I know you don't like your head being touched, but sometimes, sweetie, I have to actually touch you there. Hey, like, just hang on my leg for a minute, chill out on my leg, and stop thinking about going up top. Could you do that? Do you think I could just kind of break that thought for a second? Might be really wishful thinking. Just climb my foot. That's what you could do. Climb up on Mum's foot, but you'll fall. Lily isn't overly heavy at all. She's quite long, Lily, but she's certainly not my heavy girl. You can come up over the top of the camera and see me. You don't mind giving Mum a kiss though, do you? Honestly, you are a smooch, but nobody ever gets to really see that side of you. And you don't, guys. Very rarely do you see that total smoochy side to Lily, and she has got it. You just tend to see her wandering on off and going up to her hangout spot. But I do get my moments with Lily down here on the couch with me. I just recall, you know, when she was so much younger, she would come out and I would be laying, you know, on the couch, and she would curl up into the back of my knees and just go to sleep and stay there pretty much all day. Not that I did. Wouldn't it be nice to just lay on the couch all day? I do a lot of it though, I must say, probably compared to most people, but not about, you know, gee, you're lazy gay laying on a couch all day. It's just my snakes are here, and this is where I do sit. And she says, wow, I've got going. You can go in there, but I don't think you can get out the other end at the moment. I've got it turned the wrong way, Lily. Yeah, this is where I do spend most of my day because of the snakes, but I do, as you know, a lot of my filming here with my snakes. There's Jack up there. Spending a lot of time up under the heat. I have upped his heat for him, as well as Tessa at the moment. But this is where I sit, guys, and I do my videos, edit my videos, watch my YouTube, and so on. And it's comfortable in here, and it's cozy. And when I have visitors come over, they don't want to sit out in that main lounge room. They all want to come in here where the snakes are, and they all find it nice and cozy and relaxing here. And I have tried to make it very much that for me, but you know, for my snakes, as you know, this room is a very big part of their life, so I don't bore you guys for too long. You know, thanks to everybody who watches my videos and supports my channel. It's always wonderful to hear from everybody. I love the comments. I love reading the comments and responding to your comments as well. I would like you to like the video, subscribe if you haven't, but let me know you were there so I can say thank you. So guys, I'm going to check out now. Lily's contemplating life at the moment, down or up. She hasn't made up her mind. Guys, take care of yourself, your family, your friends, your snakes, and all your animals. Ciao.